So, you're thinking about using Airwallex, huh? That's a great choice for businesses looking to streamline their global finances. But here's the burning question: does Airwallex offer a debit card? Before we dive into that, let's quickly recap what Airwallex is all about. It's a fintech platform designed to simplify international payments, currency exchange, and business banking. They offer a range of financial solutions, including multi-currency accounts, virtual cards, and more. But does a physical debit card fit into this mix? The Airwallex debit card dilemma. As of now, Airwallex doesn't offer a traditional debit card like you might be used to with your personal bank account. While they provide virtual cards that can be used for online purchases, a physical card isn't currently part of their product suite. Why no physical debit card? You might be wondering why Airwallex hasn't ventured into the physical debit card market. There could be a few reasons for this. Focus on digital. Airwallex seems to be prioritizing digital solutions and virtual cards. This approach aligns with the growing trend of cashless transactions and the increasing reliance on digital payments. Complexities of global operations. Issuing and managing physical cards across multiple countries can be a complex and costly endeavor. Virtual cards offer a more streamlined and efficient solution for international businesses. Risk management. Physical cards can pose certain security risks, such as loss, theft, or unauthorized use. Virtual cards, on the other hand, can be easily blocked or canceled remotely. Alternatives to a physical debit card. While Airwallex doesn't offer a physical debit card, you can still manage your finances effectively using their other products. Multi-currency accounts. These accounts allow you to hold and manage multiple currencies, making it easy to receive and send payments globally. Virtual cards. These cards can be used for online purchases and can be customized with spending limits and expiration dates. Mobile app. The Airwallex mobile app provides a convenient way to manage your finances on the go. The future of Airwallex and physical cards. It's important to note that the fintech landscape is constantly evolving. While Airwallex may not offer a physical debit card today, there's always the possibility of future developments. As the company continues to grow and innovate, we may see new products and features emerge. So, to answer the original question, no, Airwallex doesn't currently offer a physical debit card. However, their range of digital solutions, including virtual cards and multi-currency accounts, provides a robust and convenient way to manage your global finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.